Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to register for a PayPal account. First, navigate to the official PayPal website or download their mobile application. Once there, locate and click the Sign Up button, typically found in the top right corner. You will then be prompted to choose between a personal or business account. Select the option that best suits your intended use, whether for individual transactions or commercial activities. Next, you will need to provide some essential personal information. Begin by entering your mobile phone number. PayPal will send a 6-digit verification code to ensure your identity. Once received, input this code into the designated field. Following this, create a robust password and enter your primary email address. Finally, accurately provide your full legal name, date of birth, and current residential address to complete this section. Now, it is time to link a payment method to your new PayPal account. You have the option to securely connect either a bank account or a debit or credit card. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions provided to link your preferred financial instrument. If linking a bank account, PayPal typically sends 2 small deposits, usually less than $1 each, which you will confirm to complete verification. The final step is to confirm your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from PayPal and click the provided link to activate your account. Once confirmed, your new PayPal account is fully set up and ready for use. You can now confidently send and receive money, make secure online purchases, and even manage various bill payments with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.